this one too. I ain't putting those in there though. Ah, from the internet. We'll get everybody's OCD all messed up. Go ahead and just do this backwards too. These skills. Yeah, no, we got. Yeah, perfect. We got some Corsairs. Both those backwards too. So, yeah, perfect. Got some HyperX Fury DDR3. That's gonna look good. Let's put that here. Let's mix some DDR3 with some 4. Some more 4. DDR2. Yay. More DDR2. Some oddball DDR4. Yay. Doesn't that fit? Why isn't that fitting? Ain't you fitting? Oh, we got heatsink problems. DDR3. DDR3. Well, that's pretty good. But what about these? No. What do I do with these? Oh yeah. Can put them in here. Yeah, there we go. That's so messy. What's that? Just put them in here. Ah, crap, they don't fit DDR4. Yeah, they do. Ooh, they're tight. And there's a solution. Quit screwing around with, yeah, that Jay's 2 cent stuff. Put your RAM on.